Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how students can create interactive websites using Wix for their assignments, step by step, and with no coding required. Nowadays, assignments are not just about writing reports. Professors love interactive projects that showcase creativity and digital skills. Wix is a beginner-friendly platform that allows you to design professional websites with drag-and-drop features. First, go to wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, choose Create New Site, and select a category, like Portfolio, Business, or Education, depending on your assignment needs. Next, choose a template. Wix offers hundreds of ready-made designs. You can fully customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your project theme. For assignments, keep the design clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Now, make it interactive. Add features like forms for feedback, videos for demonstrations, or galleries to showcase your project work. Wix also allows embedding charts, maps, and even custom HTML code if needed. Divide your website into sections, for example, Introduction, Research, Project Work, and Conclusion. This helps teachers and classmates easily follow your assignment flow. Finally, click Publish, and Wix gives you a free link to share with your professor or classmate. You can even present it live during your assignment presentation. So, that's how you can create an interactive assignment website using Wix in just a few simple steps. It's creative, professional, and will definitely make your project stand out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more assignment tutorials.